In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Notion with your local files and folders. This linking process makes accessing and organizing your important documents seamless, directly from within Notion, allowing you to streamline your workflow efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Notion workspace. This is where all your projects, documents, and wikis live. If you haven't already set one up, Notion provides a variety of templates to get you started, regardless of your purpose or field. Once you are in your workspace, go ahead and click on the Login button. This step is pretty straightforward, ensuring that you have access to all your files and editing capabilities. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Notion homepage. This is a central hub that's essential for navigating between different pages and for managing your documents effectively. If you're new to Notion, you might spend a moment familiarizing yourself with its layout and features. But don't worry, it's intuitive and user-friendly, designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned pros. Next, you need to click on the Pages section. Pages in Notion act like folders or tabs where you can store various kinds of data and notes. It's where you'll keep all sorts of documents, from meeting notes to long-term project files. Navigating your pages is as easy as clicking through a digital filing cabinet. Now, we're going to make use of one of Notion's powerful shortcuts by typing Upload in the body of the page you've opened. This command allows you to bring files into your Notion page without having to leave your current workspace. It's a nifty feature that ensures you can easily bridge the gap between your local files and Notion's digital ecosystem. Once you've typed Upload, a menu will pop up. Here, you want to click on File. This option lets you select files directly from your computer to upload to your Notion page. It's incredibly helpful for when you want to store reference documents, images, PDFs, or any other file type right alongside your typed notes, ensuring everything you need is in one accessible place. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've linked Notion with your local files and folders. This process not only enhances productivity, but also fosters a more organized digital space for all your essential data. As you continue using Notion, you'll likely discover more features and integrations that can help tailor it to perfectly fit your personal or professional needs. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you find this guide helpful and enjoy the improved efficiency and organization that Notion can bring to your daily tasks. Until next time, happy organizing!